Hi, I'm Jamie from Synapptic, and today we're going to run through how to send and receive texts from your Synapptic device. When you received your Synapptic device, it will come with a free pay-as-you-go SIM card to get you started. This will give you calls, texts, and access to data until it runs out. You will then need to top up your pay-as-you-go SIM card or set up a call plan.
So let's get started by looking at the text menu. Firstly, go to the main menu screen and select the text message option. As normal, depending on your level of sight loss, you can either slide your finger up and down the screen to hear the various menu options spoken out, then lift your finger off the screen to select the required option, or just tap your finger on the option you require. For more details on how to navigate the Synapptic menus, check out the Navigating Through Synapptic video. A link can be found in the description below. There are a number of different options to choose from on the text message menu. These include options for composing a new message, reading all messages, reading unread messages, reading sent messages, completing drafts, saved messages, failed messages, deleted messages, and some text message specific settings. Firstly, we'll start by looking at how to compose a new text message. Select the Compose New option. To address this message to the correct person, either type in the number of the person you'd like to text, select a person from the address book, or use the multiple option to send a message to multiple people at once. Once you've entered a number or selected a recipient, the keyboard will appear automatically on the next screen, which you can use to type your message. The keyboard screen is split into two sections. The top half shows the text already typed in. The lower half displays the letters and characters of the keyboard. Tap each key to type that letter. The letters you type will be shown in the top half of the screen. Alternatively, place your finger in the lower half of the screen, keeping it pressed on the screen. Slide your finger around to explore the keys of the keyboard. Each letter your finger passes over will be spoken out and shown in large print in a little pop-up area above your finger. Lifting your finger off the screen on a particular letter will type that letter. If you make a mistake during typing, press the Delete key, which is located under the letter L and to the right of the letter M. Touch the top half of the keyboard screen to have the voice speak out the text that has been typed. The arrow keys to the left and right of the text on the edge of the screen move the cursor back and forward through the text, either a letter or a word at a time. Alternatively, voice recognition can be used to dictate your message instead of typing it in using the keyboard. Touch the microphone icon in the top right of the keyboard screen to turn voice recognition on and dictate your message. Press it again to turn voice recognition off. Text can be written using a combination of typing and dictation. With voice recognition turned on, the letters of the keyboard are hidden and three large buttons are displayed instead. Select the Speak button at the bottom of the screen when you are ready to speak. Wait for the beep, then start speaking.
This is an example message.
Speak clearly in your normal voice and say a few words or a short sentence. When nothing is spoken for 2 seconds, the system will assume you have finished speaking and convert your speech into text, which will be added to the text at the top of the screen. To repeat what the system last understood, you press the Repeat button. If the system understood you incorrectly, press the Delete button and try again. When finished with the voice recognition, press the microphone icon in the top right of the screen to show the keyboard again. When you are finished, press the Send key in the bottom left-hand corner to send the text message. Before sending, a Yes, No, and Drafts menu is displayed to confirm if you wish to send the message now or save it as a draft to be finished later. The second option on the text menu is All Messages. This option displays a list of all text messages received. If they are new and unread, the word new is shown by the side of the message. The newest messages are at the top of the list. When you move your finger over each message, the sender and date and time the message was received and the message itself are spoken out. It's worth noting that whenever you select a message, the text message menu is displayed, which has options for reading, reply, deleting, and saving messages. The first option on this menu is the Read Message option, which displays the full message on the screen. If the message is too long to fit on one page, it is split over multiple pages. Use the previous and next buttons to move between pages. Use the Read All button in the top right of the screen to read all pages of the text in one go. The size of the message text varies with zoom level, but this can be adjusted independently using the text size option in the settings menu. This will be covered in a later video on how to customize Synapptic in line with your own preferences. The Read Conversation option on the text message menu is to read a conversation. Use this option to read, in order, all the messages sent between you and a selected person. The messages are presented in a list with the oldest message at the top. The Reply option on the text message menu is to reply to a message. When this option is selected, a keyboard is displayed so you can type your reply. The Delete option on the text message menu is to delete a message permanently. The Forward option on the text message menu allows a copy of the current message to be forwarded to other people. The Links option on the text message menu shows a list of any website links within a text message. Click on the links to be taken to that website. The Save option on the text message menu enables you to save the message into the Saved Text Messages list for safekeeping or easy access. The Add Contact option on the text message menu enables you to add the sender of this message along with their telephone number to the address book. The Dial Number option on the text message menu will dial the number of the person who has messaged you. Finally, the Block Number option on the text message menu enables you to block this telephone number, preventing any future calls or text messages from this number from reaching you. Now, returning to the main text menu, there are different options for filtering your received messages. These include Unread, Sent, Drafts, Saved, and Failed. The next option on the text menu screen is the Deleted Messages option. From here, messages can be deleted from different locations such as Received Messages, Sent Messages, Draft Messages, Saved Messages, and Failed Messages. After selecting this option, the system will ask where you wish to delete multiple messages from. Finally, we'll have a look at the Text Settings menu, where you can configure a number of settings specific to text messages. These are Fit to Screen. Use this option to force text messages to fit on just one page. Speak on Arrival. Configure if you'd like the name of the sender to be announced when a new message arrives from them. Delete Messages. Use this option to quickly delete old messages, just leaving the latest 10.
So, today we've run through how to send and receive texts from your Synapptic device. Hopefully, you are now a bit more familiar with your new Synapptic phone or tablet. If you've liked the video today, please like and subscribe, and if there's any more content that you would like to see, please leave a comment in the comment section below. For more information, call us on 0191 9097 909 or visit our website at www.synaptic.com. A link can be found in the description below.